When you live in a country as warm as Lebanon, you don't want to spend too much time in a hot kitchen. It's perfect salad weather. And my favorite Lebanese salad is fattoush because it features these. Crispy pita chips. I've brushed a little bit of oil, sprinkled some paprika. It'll add a nice crunch to my salad. The difference between an English cucumber and a Lebanese cucumber is the size. And the Lebanese cucumbers also have less seeds. And now for my herbs, a little bit of parsley and some fresh mint. You know, Lebanese people have a lot of cousins, but so do parsley and mint. Parsley is related to carrots and celery, and mint is related to thyme and lavender. And now my salad needs a dressing. A little bit of garlic, some acidity, lemon. And some oil, because every great dressing has oil. And now the star of this dish, sumac. Little red berries that grow on trees in Lebanon. It adds a nice citrusy and tangy flavor. And this salad you can have for lunch or as a side. And there's so many fresh vegetables. Earlier I grilled some chicken. We call it shish taouk. Shish is the skewer, taouk is the chicken. And then my favorite part are crispy pita chips. And topped with that tangy, citrusy dressing. So fresh, and that sumac is nice and tart. There's something so satisfying about crunchy salads. It's got a little bit of everything. Some veg, some protein, some pita. I can just imagine eating this on a hot day in Lebanon.